Are you running influencer campaigns and want to find the right talent without spending hours scrolling through TikTok? In this video, I'll show you how to easily find influencers suited to your brand using the Influencer Discovery Agent. To use the agent, you input a description of the type of influencer you're looking for, and the actor will scrape TikTok to find the creators you want. It will also show you how often they post per week, their engagement, URLs, and a short description. First, head to the link in the description, which will take you to the Influencer Discovery Agent's README. Click Try for free, which will send you to the login page, where you can get started with a free Apify account. After logging in, you'll land on the actor's input page. While you can configure this through either the UI or JSON, we'll use the UI to keep things simple. All you need for this actor to start working is a short description of the type of influencer you're looking for. However, if you already have someone in mind or a database of scraped usernames, you can add them using the Add button or edit them in bulk. Finally, you can set how many keywords the actor should generate based on the description and how many profiles to scrape per keyword. Before running your actor, it's a good idea to save your configuration by creating a task, which is a saved version of an actor. Doing so is useful for scheduling and integrating the actor with other tools. Now that we've set up the input, let's run the actor by hitting Start. You can watch the results appear in the Overview tab or switch to the Log tab for more detailed output. Once your run is finished, export the data using the Export button. Choose your preferred format and select which fields to include or exclude. Now you can download your dataset. This is what it looks like in JSON. You can also share the dataset by clicking next to the Export button and copying the URL. This is a great way to share your findings with others. You can also connect your scraper to cloud services such as Google Drive, Make, Slack, or any other Apify actor. You can also automate this workflow to create a weekly scouting system for your brand by scheduling the actor to run at regular intervals. Choose your task and hit Schedule, and then set how often you want the actor to run. You can run this actor locally via API. Code samples in Node.js, Python, or Curl are available in the API drop-down menu in the top right corner. To learn more about retrieving data programmatically, check out our video on the topic. That's all for today. Let us know what you think about the Influencer Discovery Agent. If you run into any issues, report them to our team in Apify Console. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell to stay updated on new tutorials. So long, and thanks for all the likes.